So to get Google SketchUp app in your Android phone, go to your Play Store, and here you have to search for SketchUp, and here just open SketchUp viewer. So this is the official SketchUp viewer for Android phone. All you have to need to install this SketchUp viewer app on your mobile device, and once the app successfully installed, go to your app library, and here you'll find SketchUp View or SketchUp. Just launch it, and now here just swipe to the left side and tap on let's do this, and tap on sign in or create account, and you'll be redirected to your browser tab. And now just sign into your account, or you can create a brand new account by tapping here. In my case, I'm going to log into my account using Google and selecting my Google account to log in. And it may take some moments to signing in, and I'm tapping on maybe later. And once you successfully logged in, you will directly jump into your SketchUp dashboard. Here in this page, you will find all of your available SketchUp projects. So now let's open this SketchUp sample, and here as you can see the project successfully opened. And now tapping on this play button, and let's view scenes from front, tapping on play, and here as you can see my project is showing. And now note one thing, that from this SketchUp mobile app we won't be able to edit anything in our SketchUp project. So we'll be able to only view our project using this mobile app. To edit something, you must need to use your computer. So go to layers, and here you'll find all of your SketchUp project layers, and from this view tab you will be able to change view just like so.